How do my birds like my Halloween costumes?
What are you guys doing? Coco.
Coco was not impressed.
Good girl.
I can't see a thing in that mask.
Hey, bro. Like my hairdo? It's nice. It's still mine. Still mine.
This is my other costume, long hair.
See what Coco thinks. Hi, Coco.
Look how confused she looks.
I don't like this Halloween business. What about you? Do you like it?
Kiwi's not scared of anything.
What's all the commotion about? What is all the commotion about? Boo! Boo!
Cookie's never scared.
Good morning.
Okay, so here I'm waking them up with my dog mask on. Let me remind you, I can't see a thing, so I don't even know how they're reacting until I watched it back.
Good morning. Who's going to come out with Mom? Want to come out with Mom?
I had no idea she was doing that. You know, birds make themselves look bigger when they're scared. That's why they fluff their feathers and put their wings out like that. Poor Coco.
It's me! It's Mom!
Look at her, she's so surprised it's me. Well, she knew it was me, I think, but...
It's Mom! You knew it was Mom, didn't you? Were you scared? Were you scared? Were you?
I think the cockatoos are more sensitive to the masks.
Are you a good boy? I'm not gonna do anything.
Coco knew I had a dog mask.
Scary. See, look. Is that scary? You can put it on your head. You can be skeleton. No? Okay.
I was going to put a hole in the skeleton and put it on one of the birds' heads, but there would be no takers.
Are you scared of a skull? You like it?
Isn't it interesting that the cockatoos are more sensitive to scary things?
Where's Newman? There. He's good. Right? Cookie's not scared of anything, are you, Cookie? You just get mad. Mad. I'll put it here. No? I'll put it near the trim so you don't chew up the trim. Should we do that? Yeah. We're missing a bird.